morning, everybody. It's day 3.
Yeah.
And today, where are we going, guys?
We're going to Kamaya Coast.
We're going off-road while listening to Jurassic Park music. We made it.
Yeah, we made.
Apparently there's a beach here.
Yeah, beach in resort.
But we're so high up in the mountains that
Yeah.
I'm surprised, but we're gonna check it out.
Thumbs up.
We've made it into the resort and we're just gonna have a walk around and go to the beach and the aqua park. We've got Mark on the camera and I'm going to show you what the beach is like. The sand is really soft. Beautiful palm trees. Yeah, look how soft the sand is. We're in the pool, pretty nice, and we've got the beach just behind us to see through the trees. Chesley's joined us in the pool. There's I swam from there all the way to there. That's 50 meters. I did that twice, then I swam from there to there and then there again, which I'm guessing is probably about another 50 meters, so 150 meters swam. And Chesley and Mark just in the pool. Ordering food now.
It's great.
Yeah. Eating by the beach. Prepare for the transition. There's no food. Boom. We've got calamari, rice, chicken quarter. What's that, pork?
Pork barbecue.
Okay. Kain tayo. How's it go?
Libre ka nagsulat naman, hindi pa po dito.
Nagtulad na tayo.
Masarap. Busog ako. Busog ako, which means I'm full in Tagalog.
Says kuya. Say kuya.
Yeah.
Kuya.
Thanks.
Go.
Go to Aquafan.
Yeah, we're going to Aquafan. We just had lunch. It was really nice.
Yeah.
Great. I keep forgetting how to say I'm full.
Busog.
Busog ako.
Busog.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. So we'll see you at the aqua park. Ride to the aqua park.
Go ahead.
Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out. Pop, pop, it's showtime. 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 Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. Gone time. Oh, they don't know. Gone time. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Showed up. I'm wearing Cuban links. Yeah. Designer mix. Yeah. Inglewood's finest shoes.
We've gone on all the rides.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, very fun. Gone on that one about... How many times did we go on? Mark, you went on about 5 times.
Yeah, 5 times.
Yeah, 5. I think mine was 3. Chesley only twice.
Yeah, twice.
I'm in the sea with my bag. This is really risky, but I did it just so I can get a picture of the monster behind me. Mabuhay!
Mabuhay. Thank you, man.
The time is 4:15 and we're just about to leave. We had a good day.
Yeah.
Beach was lovely. The sand was really soft, and it will be an hour until we get back to Limay.